back to my channel. My name is Jessica if you're new here. Today we're going to be getting my life together because I am a mess, as you can tell by literally everything around me. And look at me. I'm not going to get into it in this video, but I've been a mess for like 2 months, 2.5, maybe 3. Basically, life got really hard and I fell out of my routine that I had, and I've been getting really mad at myself and just annoyed because I can't do everything that I was doing 6 months ago. Today, we're going to be trying to get my life together, possibly tomorrow too. We'll see how it goes. My goals are to get ready, film at least 1 video, and do my laundry. Hopefully we can do more, but if not, that's okay. First things first, I need to shower because look at my hair. She needs some help. Okay, I have now showered, put stuff in my hair to hopefully make it easier to straighten, and I will probably blow dry it in a little bit. In the meantime, I think I'm going to try to clean up my room, like not deep clean, but just kind of pick things up so that I can film my video later. That's what we're doing right now. I'm going to set up this camera so you can get a nice time lapse of me trying to fix this crazy mess. I also need to switch out my laundry, so let's do that. I also have drank no water today. That's not good. Don't follow my example.
Take a sip, you gon' trip. I'm like a cup of shroom tea in the morning. Coat your throat like hot honey. You gon' need water, then want some more of me. In your head, you gon' slip.
Room is looking a little bit better. It's fine. It could be worse. Now I really need to dry my hair because it is starting to curl on its own. That is not what I wanted today. I put 3 different straightening products in my hair and it still just curls up like that. So I'm gonna go try to fix this.
For your soul, please, baby. You taste like maybe. Baby, I need guarantee.
Okay, my hair is straightened. I don't know if you can tell. I went outside one time and it already is kind of frizzing up because it's so humid. But now I'm going to do my makeup. It shouldn't take me too long because I'm just going to do something very simple and basic. I have not done my makeup in weeks. Like, it has been a long time.
Let me try to show you. Maybe you say yes to me.
Okay, makeup is done. I don't really know if you can tell in the lighting. Now, I need to find a camera angle for my video that I'm gonna film. I don't know if I've talked about it in this vlog, but I want to film a video about like outfits, summer outfits that I didn't get to wear because of quarantine. I'm just kind of doing this video for fun, but I need to find some sort of camera angle. I don't really want to film it outside because it is humid and my hair will look crazy by the end. So I don't really know. I feel like this is going to be too dark and not tall enough and too busy. Oh, I didn't mean for the camera to still be on. That's awkward. I'm in my first outfit for this video. I'll probably talk to this vlog after I film the whole video because I'm using this camera to film that one. I think I have like 5 outfits that I'm going to film for this video. The one that I'm wearing right now is seriously my favorite. I hate that I'm not going anywhere today because this is so cute and I love it so much. I'm going to go film this video and I'll talk to you when I'm done. I'm done filming that video. It is 5:30. I cannot believe how long that took me, and I was also trying to film a TikTok within the video as well, so that's why it took a little bit longer. I have all of this mess set up now. I set up my ring light over here so I would have natural light coming in here, and then it's just so dark over here I had to have some other source of light. Here is all of my clothes that I need to put up, not to mention the laundry that I have not touched yet. Obviously I'm in a different outfit because I was filming that video. This is just a green bodycon dress. I'm not gonna keep wearing this. I'm gonna change, but this is just what I'm dealing with for now. I was about to say, I really wish I could have gotten in some photos, like while I was in these outfits, taken some photos for Instagram, because I really am running out of photos at this point. That's such a first world problem, but anyway, I'm doing what I can today, and that's okay. I think I'm gonna change, probably grab something for dinner, and maybe I'll start organizing and importing footage. I don't know if I have the brain power to edit tonight, but I still have laundry and other things to do. So that's the update for right now. Sorry, it's been quite a while since I've picked up the camera. It is, what, like 6 o'clock? Oh my gosh, it's 6:37. This day has gone by so fast. I was gonna try to film one more like sit down video. I think I might just try to do it tomorrow. It's kind of getting dark and I don't really like filming with just my ring light. I prefer there to be like natural light as well. So I think I'll just do it tomorrow. I have laundry to do tonight anyway. Let's get my room picked up again because filming just makes the place kind of explode.
Yeah. I'm looking at a face I don't recognize today myself. Don't know what to say, things ain't the same. I felt that we lost our way, the street is two ways and go. And everybody keeping to themselves. I know you're sorry, you dragged me through hell. If this was real, can you tell me what you felt? Cause it feels like it's over now. There's just too much pressure.
Alright, it is Sunday. It is exactly 2 p.m. So it's taken me a minute to get up and actually do something. Literally all I've done today is eat breakfast and eat lunch and watch YouTube and TikTok. That is all I've done. I just made my bed. I really did not know if I was going to be able to get up and do something today, but hey, we're here. Yes, it's 2 p.m., but better late than never. So I'm going to do really quick makeup and film a video. It's just a sit down video, so it will not take as long as yesterday's video. And then I'm either going to go get my nails done or I'm going to do them myself. I really don't like doing them myself, but I also don't really know if I feel like going to a nail salon. I'm trying not to be too hard on myself. I'm just proud of myself for at least getting up and trying to do something. For now, I'm going to do a really quick makeup look and I will talk to you after.
There's just too much pressure. There's just too much pressure. There's just too much.
Okay, change of plans. I decided I'm not going to film a video today since I already have this one and the one that I filmed yesterday. I don't want to get too behind on editing because then I know I just won't edit them. So I'm actually leaving the house. I changed my clothes, straightened my hair, I painted my nails, which I really just should go get them done because this just doesn't look that good and it's only going to last like 2 days. So maybe I'll go this week or something, but right now I'm going to Home Goods with my mom. Why? I don't know. I think I might as well get out of the house. I haven't left since, I don't even know. I don't even know the last time I left the house. So we're gonna go to Home Goods. Maybe I'll get some footage on my phone. I haven't really brought this camera into public yet and I'm a little afraid, so maybe I'll do a little montage on my phone. I completely switched up my plan for today, but that's okay. At least I'm still doing something, right? Okay, it is 8 p.m. I have failed at vlogging today. Went to Home Goods, came back, started filming TikToks, which is why I now have on winged liner. I don't know, I was just in the mood to film like one of those transition videos, so go follow me on TikTok because I just posted one of them and I'll probably post the other one like tomorrow. That's what I've been doing. I ate dinner and I've just been literally filming these silly TikToks and sitting on my bed. And I like put on a lot more makeup because I wanted to for the purpose of the TikTok. I don't even know if I accomplished everything that I wanted to, but I kind of made a mess from filming again. That just seems to be a common theme. So I'm gonna try to clean up my room once again, and then I'm gonna try to deal with all of my footage that I have not even started editing, and probably plan out my week after that. Maybe that's probably as far as I'll get tonight. I can't believe it's already 8, and I have to work tomorrow, so.
Try to show you. Maybe you say yes to me. Sit me down, shut me up. Looks like you need a refill in your cup. Sip it slow, slow your roll.
I kind of cleaned up my room a little bit. Wrote down my meals that I ate today because I have to keep track of everything that I eat because I have gastroparesis. Now I think I'm just going to try to organize some footage and import everything because I have a lot on this SD card and I really need to organize it so I can start editing hopefully tomorrow. And I'm just going to get ready for bed. I think I'm going to go ahead and end the video here. I don't really know how, like, what happened in this video or what it was. It was supposed to be me getting my life together. I don't really know if I got my life together, but this was me trying to get back into some sort of healthy routine. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you're subscribed and turn on my post notifications. And give this video a thumbs up. Follow me. Everything is Jessica Leigh YT. I'll see you very, very soon in the next one. Bye, guys. You ever just have TikTok songs stuck in your head all day, or is that just me? What's on my lens? What am I saying? Orange is not my color. I don't know what's happening. The lighting sucks, that's what's happening. Bless my soul. Work was on a roll.
There's just too much pressure. There's just too much pressure.